Hi, I will show you how to change the time on the DVR. Main menu, right click, main menu, unlock the pattern, then under this systems, which normally comes on the basic, then click on date and time. Here set the date and time, okay, and select here time zone, and you can change the format here. Enable this DST, okay. So normally in UK the time will be changed, so make the settings March last Sunday 01 and October last Sunday 02, and you need to enable this once and click on apply. Right click, come back, again go on the setting and cross check this is a save or not.